Hi, friends. Happy Tuesday, May 5th. Oh, it's hard to believe that it is May 5th already. I hope you enjoyed your 4 days off Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. You guys were extra lucky to get that many days off. I had Saturday and Sunday off, but I can tell you I enjoyed those 2 days off. This week is a short week. We only have school for 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, because we all get Friday off, including Mrs. Tierney. So it's going to be an exciting week, and we are going to see if you can guess what is in my bag today. Whatever is in here begins with the letter K. It is a marsupial, and it has a long tail. What could it be? Marsupial and a long tail. Let's see if you guessed it right. It is a kangaroo. And he has a little tag on the back here that actually has his name, and his name is Kanga. Now, he's just not any ordinary kangaroo. He is a tree kangaroo. And if you have ever gone to the Minnesota Zoo in Apple Valley, you will have seen a tree kangaroo there. Now, speaking of zoos, our story this week is about a zoo. So be sure to listen to the read aloud in the literacy folder today. And hopefully you have been to a zoo before. If you haven't, this summer, when it opens, try to go to the Minnesota Zoo and see if you can find the tree kangaroo. Otherwise, if you have somebody older in your family help you, a lot of the zoos right now, you can go and watch a video of the animals at the zoo. So, Kanga says, have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.